Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Sunil Naik. In this video, I will explain you regarding the ninth part of the mental ability, that is forming figures using the cutout pieces questions. Students, in this, they will ask 4 questions. That is serial number, question number 33 to 36. Means 4 questions they will ask. Each question carries 1.25 marks. Means 5 marks total for 4 questions. Students, let's see the direction first. Here they will give problem figures on your the left hand side, okay, and on the right hand side they will give 4 options A, B, C, D. In that they have given here cut pieces. They may give 2 pieces, they may give 3 pieces, they may give 4 or 5 different shapes pieces. That pieces we have to add, and we have to make one figure. In which figure these problems means these shapes are there, we have to recognize and we have to find out. We have to find the correct figure in this. Students, now let's see how we can do this one. I will explain you some examples so that you can understand easily. So see here, in first one, first question we can see 3 different shapes are there in the question figure. So these shapes we have to observe. Then in the answer figures we have to search these 3 shapes. It should be exactly same, okay, and the direction may change. So let's see in the first one. So this shape is there or not, we have to check. So this triangle shape, it is there, first one, and this rectangle shape, it is here, okay, and this triangle shape, it is here. Means the direction may change, but that shape should be same. So A, in this figure, A is the answer. This one is the answer. Now just you can observe B, C, D also. Here only 1, 2, 3 shapes are there, 2 triangles are there, okay. But this shape you can see there is no this shape, means a big rectangle is there, students. So this is not answer. And as in the C also you can observe 2 the same type of triangles are there. There is no 2 same type triangles, and this also not there. And D also you can observe these 3 figure shapes are completely different. This is not there in the problem figure. So answer is first one. Okay, students, like this we have to understand. Let's see one more example. Students, let's see one more example here. So in this figure also they have given 3 different shapes, and in answer figures where these 3 different figures are there, and they made one complete figure, that we have to search. Students, now in the first one you can see this triangle shape is there. This is first, just think that it is here, and this shape, it is second, it is here. So this shape, it is here. So you can say answer is A. See the second and third and fourth also, see the shapes, they are completely different. So these shapes are not matching here. So answer is first one. So students, like this we have to answer. Now let's see next question. So students, in this they have given, already I told you, they may give 2, 3, 4, 5, means different number of shapes they will give. Here they have given 1, 2, 3, 4. In this 4 shapes, again in the 4 answer figures which is suitable you have to find. So let's see first one here. So the triangle is there, means one same triangle is there, but we need here this type 2 triangles, but here only one is there, and 2 small triangles are there. So this is not answer. So here in this we can see 1 and 2 different, means this one and this one, 2 long triangles are there, and one small triangle, this you can see here, and this shape you can find here. So B is the answer. Students, like this you can compare this also, the shapes are not matching, so B is the right answer. Okay students, now let's see next example. Students, let's see problem figure. This is fourth one. So here they have given 4 different types of the shapes. First you have to observe these shapes properly, you have to keep in your mind, then you have to check here. So let's see first one. So there is no these shapes, there is no in shapes, so easily we can say that it is not answer. And in the second also we can say, by observing this figure only we can say it is not an answer, because there are not shapes, the triangle and all different kinds of shapes are not there. And next one, we can see this triangle it is here, and this shape it is here, and this triangle it is here, and the small dot is there, it is upside here. So C is the answer. We can say C is the answer. Okay, students. Now see, in this question we can see next question, fifth question. So different four figures are there. In the four figures again we have to observe. In the first one we can say, because small circle is there and these shapes are not there in this, so A is not answer. B you can see, so it is looking matching, means this shape is here, and this one shape you can see here, and this shape here, and this shape it is here. So B is the answer. Like this we can compare next this also, because this triangle is not there, and this type of triangle is also not here. So B is the answer. Okay, students, like this we have to find out. So let's see next one. Here you can see that in the sixth question you can see 5 different figures are there. Students, 1 2 3 4 5, and you can observe this one, first one 1 2 3 4 5, but this shape is not here, and this triangles also not matching. So first one is not answer. Second, you can see this small, very small circle, it is not here, so second is not answer, students. Now we can see third one. These triangles you can see here, all the triangles we will get here, 1 2 3 4, and this small triangles also you can find here. So third one is the answer. Okay, students. Now let's see, when they will give in circle shape, that type of example I will give now. Now you can okay, students, let's see, this means it is like a circle. Okay, it will, if you combine this all, it will make circle. So let's see which will comes here. So these type shapes you have to find in this. So the small triangles are there, but it will not suits. So this type shapes is also not here, so B is also not answer. Here you can see this triangle it is here, but remaining also we have to think. This one is here, this shape, and this shape is here, and this triangle is here. So C is the answer. Okay, students, like this we have to find out. One more example I will take. So students, let's see one more example I will show regarding the circles. So here you can see 4 different shapes are there, and after this you can see the answer figures. So here one half circle is there, it is here, and this portion you can see here, this portion you can see, and this small portion you can see here. So A is the answer. Friends, like this we have to search and we have to practice. It may be different shapes like triangles, squares, rectangles, circles, all types you have to practice, and by practicing you will become perfect. Okay, students, I hope you all understood this one. If you understood, just comment me, and if you not understood, that also you can comment me. In the next video I will come with the next mental ability part. Thank you.